Unbox this tire inflator portable air compressor with me. Pretty easy to use. It's basically self-explanatory. It's very easy to use. The cord is here, nice and tidy. It's also a flashlight, has output, input, and different manual modes. And you can select your PSI as well. And it also includes other hose attachments. So if you want to inflate your bicycle, your motorcycle, a ball, all the nozzles, and then of course the charger for it, and you can keep all of this inside that little carrying case. So super easy to use. I'm going to do just a very quick overview. Hold the power button on for a few seconds and it will come on. Numbers are nice and big so you can see. You just pick the mode you would like to use. I'm just going to go ahead and do the car. This is how you inflate it, but before we do, we're going to choose our PSI that we want, and once you choose it, just flick that on and it will do it very, very quickly. So this also has a flashlight as well. So if you're on the side of the road, it comes in handy. It does have a flashing and SOS light along with that flashlight